Since the very first day people started water cleaning, the method has evolved in many ways. And today, we have many battery-powered pressure washers on hand, which almost took out half the hassle of traditional cleanings. To put the cherry on top, the tool giant Makita has recently added the HW001G XGT power washer to its lineup. This tool has changed the perception of low-powered cordless pressure washing. So today, we are going to talk about the pressure washer, how it works, which features make it stand out, and whether it will be worth buying. When you take a look at this tool for the first time, you'll notice the signature color combination of Makita. Though it comes in a bit larger size compared to its predecessors, it also offers great portability. This tool features an ergonomic design that provides you with the freedom to clean anywhere, from driveways and decks to vehicles and outdoor furniture. The materials used in construction are sturdy enough to withstand all worksite hazards, because you're about to take this washer into dirty areas for cleaning, so it needs to be durable. On the front side, you'll find the battery level indicator, pressure controller button, and a power level indicator. Plus, you'll have ports for attaching the spraying cord. Speaking of the telescopic handle on the top, it's easily adjustable, allowing you to find the needed comfort when carrying it from one place to another. On the backside, you'll find two 140mm wheels. They are rugged and strong enough to roll through any rough terrain, meaning you don't need to carry it all the time. You can maneuver it like luggage. Now let's talk about the thing that actually matters: the cleaning performance and runtime. The Makita HW001G XGT power washer provides high washing power on every job that matches with the corded models. You'll appreciate its innovative 40-volt Max XGT technology. With its powerful brushless motor, this washer ensures efficiency and durability and makes all your tough cleaning tasks a breeze. This pressure washer also comes with a self-priming function, which helps you to draw water not just from a faucet, but also from water reservoirs like polytanks or large buckets. This means you don't have to worry about operating an air drain valve. It's hassle-free operation all the way. Remember, the maximum suction height is 1 meter, and you only need a minimal water level of 15 millimeters to get started. To talk numbers, this power washer offers a maximum pressure of 115 bars, with an operating pressure range of 30 to 85 bars. And if you are worried about the pressure hose length, no problem. Because it comes with 5 meters long hose, we think that's enough for even larger cleaning jobs. It'll give you plenty of reach for different cleaning scenarios. And with a maximum output power of 1200 watt, you can count on high pressure output for effective and efficient cleaning. If you have used Makita's cordless tools before, then you must know that this manufacturer never compromises on its batteries. This time, it came up with a 40-volt Max XGT Li-ion battery, which not only extends the runtime, but also helps the washer to maintain a constant washing pressure till the end. And let's not talk about the cordless convenience. You know what you're going to get. Plus, you'll have the flexibility to use either 2 batteries in parallel or just one. It totally depends on your need. This pressure washer features variable pressure settings, so whether you need high discharge pressure or a high flow rate, this power washer strikes a very good balance between the two, ensuring thorough cleaning while saving you time and effort. So, we have done with the performance, heavy-duty build, and powerful battery. But beyond all these things, this power washer has got something else for you, such as the trigger lock function, which allows you to keep the spray going without the need for continuous squeezing. Then, there are 3 operation modes available, so you get to choose the mode that suits the contamination degree of the object you're cleaning. It simply removes overspraying. Now let's talk about the new foam nozzle. This nozzle features a foaming mesh, newly added to improve the foaming performance of detergent. It's designed to give you better coverage and effectiveness when applying detergent to surfaces, making your cleaning process even more efficient. And last but not least, the HW001G is WetGuard, IPX5 compatible. This means it's designed to withstand water splashes and jets from all directions. Despite all the extras, you'll get some more accessories with the kit, like the trigger gun, 5-meter high-pressure hose, suction hose, cleaner pin, storage box, variable nozzle, connector, one-touch joint, and a charger. In conclusion, the Makita HW001G XGT Power Washer is a top-of-the-line cleaning companion that offers unmatched performance, versatility, and convenience. With its high washing power, innovative technology, and durable design, it's ready to tackle even the toughest cleaning tasks with ease. Whether you're cleaning driveways, decks, vehicles, or outdoor furniture, this power washer delivers professional results every time. So, what do you think about this new washer? Are you going to switch from your old one? Let us know in the comment section. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.